Now back here in Washington, President Biden celebrating the passage of the bipartisan $1 trillion infrastructure bill over the weekend, his first installment of his Build Back Better plan. Rachel Scott at the White House with the latest. Hi, Rachel.
Kira, good morning. And well, after 3 months of negotiations, missed deadlines, and that election loss in Virginia, the infrastructure bill will soon head to President Biden's desk. This is a rare bipartisan breakthrough in a bitterly divided Congress. The $1 trillion package is estimated to create 500,000 jobs over the next few years, and it promises significant investments in every pocket of the country, from how Americans commute, with $110 billion for highways, roads, and bridges, to protecting power outages with $65 billion to upgrade the nation's power grid, $39 billion in public transit, improving accessibility for people with disabilities, and $65 billion to expand internet, targeting rural areas and low-income communities. Plus, a $55 billion investment in clean water with money funneled to replace lead pipes and address water contamination. Now, of course, that's just one part of the president's agenda. Democrats will now move forward on the second part. That's that much larger social spending bill with funding for universal pre-K and for child care. But with no Republican support for that package, the president will have to keep his party united. They're trying to get it done by Thanksgiving. Kira?
All right, Rachel Scott at the White House for us. Thanks so much, Rachel.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.